Hardware Garage, August 16th, 2025. A real milestone here in the 66 Chevy pickup restoration. I'm going to show you what's going on here. The chassis and engine is done. Tank's incorporated, tank in the back, fuel pump installed, we've had it running. Everything here is new or rebuilt. Every gasket, every spring, shock absorbers, stainless brake lines, Flowmaster mufflers. I even put cats on it. I try to reduce the smell a little bit. New emergency brake cables, all new brakes all the way around, drum brakes, all factory original. Suspension parts, ball joints. There's the engine, 4060E tranny, 5.3 Vortec out of a 2000 Silverado. Nice aluminum radiator I got on eBay, Champion. I had it running here in the garage, seems to cool really nice. PSI conversion system, plugged it in and it started right up. Amazing. Stainless headers, Tinworks mount, cross member and motor mounts allowed me to use the air conditioning compressor in the factory location. Hoses might be a little bit more of a challenge, but I'm sure it'll work. Stainless headers got on eBay. My buddy Randy welded up the exhaust for me, and I painted all the pipes that were not stainless. And I've got them coming out in front of the bed, in front of the rear wheels under the bed. So, the big milestone here is we're setting the cab on the chassis. Trying to make a lot more room in the garage. I don't think this is going to be a huge deal. Notice I have a one-piece drive shaft. Replace the old two-piece drive shaft, which I believe that's out of an 80s Chevy pickup. Not sure. I checked the length and new U-joints obviously on that. Tranny was all rebuilt by Bob, my tranny guy. Here's the cab, big back window, custom cab. Factory air conditioning, which is pretty rare. Can't wait to get this thing going. Got a forklift here. The best place to lift the cab, from a little research, is right here and here, because they're the strongest points due to these pillars front and back. I've got some aluminum extensions here on the forklift. Put some pads up here to try to not damage this rail at all. And this Big Joe lift is going to take it high enough to get it onto the chassis. Finally getting it off this dolly, which has been on for a good 10 years probably. So that's the story. I've got the energy suspension kit over here to mount it once we get it up there. And once I get it on there, I'll probably shoot another video. Just wanted to bring it up to speed and show you what's going on. Got the doors over here on a dolly. Really nice shape. Inner fenders. I'm looking forward to getting the cab on there so I can start putting this front end back together. Get the steering column in, get the shifter lever in. I did most of this chassis work last winter, and I'm hoping this winter to finish up everything else and get it painted in the spring and be on the road next summer. So that's the story. Hardware Garage. Thanks for watching.